Hey everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L, stock number CP15738T. It is black in color, and this thing is beautiful inside and out. Front's got the chrome grille, fog lamps down below. 18-inch alloy wheels with new Michelin tires on it. It's got the keyless go entry. Inside, this vehicle is absolutely loaded. It's got power everything, windows, locks, power seats, heated leather front seats. There's a center console down here. Steering wheel controls, got your cruise, your radio controls, your voice recognition controls to make your phone calls. You can do all your voice recognition also on the radio. Blu-ray disc player down there for your DVDs. Power moonroof. In the back we've got power sliding doors, seating for 5 back here. It does have the stow and go seats, so everything will fold flat for extra cargo towing capabilities. And around the back has a power lift gate. Extra room for storage back here. A little storage bin on the side. Push button close. This vehicle is certified pre-owned. I don't know if you can read this here. But with the certified pre-owned, you get the 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, a 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum coverage. That's bumper-to-bumper warranty. This vehicle's had a 125-point inspection. You get the Carfax report, 24-hour roadside assistance if anything was to happen. You also get allowance for car rental. And also you get a 3-month SiriusXM satellite radio subscription that comes with your vehicle. Again, we're looking at a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L, stock number CP15738T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit us in Piqua, Ohio at Paul Sherry Chrysler, or give us a call at 937-778-0830, or you can visit us online at sherrychrysler.com.